female to
Dude,
go
what's the
shoot?
hold up?
It's an all-girls college.
Of course it's an all-girls college.
And my crew is boys.
So,
So they're not letting us in.
did you tell them that you're the famous Sapan Verma?
Yeah, they didn't take
They
it
didn't
seriously.
care?
No.
So what do we do now?
Can we pretend to be your news crew or something?
Nobody's going to believe that.
You can climb the wall if you want.
Please don't climb the wall. I'm an alumni. I have some pull. I'll get you guys in.
You get us
Come
in?
on. I'll get you in.
Okay,
Come on,
let's go.
come on.
Let's go. So, finally inside Mount Carmel.
Yes, welcome to Mount Carmel. That's the basketball court.
Basketball. Did you play
That's
basketball?
always
Did you play a lot of sports and all here?
No,
Okay.
but I did a lot of other
You
like
compensated for it with
yes,
other stuff? Like
other
what?
stuff. Lots of theatre, lots of public speaking.
Okay.
Plays. I was the cultural secretary so for the student union for 1 year.
Wow.
So I did a lot of that stuff. We used to basically, we had a writing club, we had a literature club, we had an improv club.
Improv club. You did
Yes.
improv?
Yeah, we did
in
improv.
college?
Yeah.
Really?
We used to call it, whose line is it anyway?
Wow.
Effectively
What are you
improv,
saying?
right? Yeah.
What is the
Yeah.
holdback?
What do
Come
you
on,
mean? What
join. Join the club.
So
Next
I think
week.
a lot of this, like, you know, the comeback stuff
Yeah.
on television,
Yeah.
which is live, right? It's
Yes.
live TV. That's
Yeah.
improv, right? Where
Wow,
else is
I didn't
improv?
know this.
Yeah. This is so cool. I'm so happy. This
Yeah.
is like, yay.
Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's go to the canteen.
Yes.
And let's meet the students. Hi guys. Give it up for Faye D'Souza, everyone. Your alumni from Mount Carmel. What's
Very
the
cool.
first kind of memory that comes to your mind when you enter the college canteen? What are your...
So I was really garib, right? There was no money back then. It was like, so, and I had two older sisters who were in the same college. So I'd constantly try to con them into giving me money
Okay.
so that I could buy stuff out of the canteen. And there used to be this ice cream guy who would come once a day.
Is there an ice cream guy now also?
Do you have an ice cream guy? No?
So there's an ice cream place there.
Oh, she's like, they have an ice cream place
Okay
now.
then.
Like, we don't need a guy, we have a shop.
Hello. We have a frappe. So I would wait for exactly 12:45
Okay.
when my sister, who was studying science, would come and buy ice cream. And I would meet her outside. I'd be like, give me. And all her friends would be like, so sad, yeah, give her the ice cream. She'd be like, I hate you.
Okay, let's order some food first.
Yes.
Hello.
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 Chechi.
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 Chechi in Malayalam means older sis, Didi.
Older son, Didi. Chechi.
Yes, so Chechi is Didi. Yes.
Okay.
So, yes. Do we still have the veg and non-veg burgers, which we used to have back then? Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, veg
Okay.
burger is vada pav.
Veg okay is vada pav.
No, it is not vada pav.
What else have you guys been eating here?
Tawa
Tawa pulao is a
is
thing?
good.
Yes.
Yes.
Tawa pulao is very famous.
Very famous? Okay, we'll try tawa pulao. What else? Okay, two more things.
Chicken roll.
Chicken roll and
Yes.
momos.
Oh, this all
What
of
would
this
you
stuff
have?
is new, but
All of this stuff is new?
And pineapple kesribat here in Bangalore.
oh, pineapple kesri. Let's go to pineapple kesri.
Yeah. And kesribat
Yeah?
you have to try.
Kesribat for sure.
So, we only have to eat one meal here, guys. We're not here for 3 days.
So I'm going to do a very Bangalore thing. Best ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು.
What is that? What is that?
Just bring whatever you want.
Okay, whatever, like 5 things that are the best 5 things. Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Chechi.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Give it up for Chechi, everyone. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's open it to the students. If you have any questions you want to ask Faye or me about anything, please feel free to ask.
So before I joined journalism, I was told that journalism is not an industry for women, and that's why I shouldn't go for it. But you know, you're very inspiring working in the field for so long. What would you like to say to the parents who tell this to girls who want to join journalism?
Young women today, are actually driving the industry more than the guys in all over the space. So it's completely and utterly false, that statement that has been said to you. There's nothing that you cannot do. And I've always said this to like all of the young women I have met, that you should be as stubborn as possible, right? When someone says you can't do something, do it twice and take pictures.
Nice.
Okay, like don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something.
What's the most stereotype MCC thing you've heard? Like cringe-worthy MCC thing. MCC
Stereotypical
stereotype.
MCC thing you've heard.
And cringe-worthy.
MCC thing meaning...
Like, you see
Mount Carmel के बारे में.
Oh, Mount Carmel के बारे में?
Yeah,
I have been called snooty.
yeah. That's the.
हाँ, तुम लोग तो मतलब because you're Mount Carmel, you think you're... I'm like, damn right, man. Have you met us?
They could not fit it in one tray. That's what. Yay! Wow, that's a lot of chocolate on a donut. Nice. Oh, that's what. That's actually
Veg
vada
burger.
pav.
That's vada
Veg
pav. That's
burger.
not a veg burger.
This is
You're
very
going to
posh.
pass the tawa pulao down there. Because she was the one who asked
She's
for
very
it.
excited.
No, you need to try it.
Sorry?
I said you need to try it.
Oh, we will try it. I'm gonna have the vada pav. No, sorry, the veg burger. What is a non-veg burger, guys?
There's a chicken burger.
Chicken burger.
Actually, in this political climate, you have to specify that it is
Yeah.
chicken.
It's always good to ask what.
Actually, you know, now that I think back, when I was in college, nobody ever specified what the non-veg burger was made of. We were like, veg, non-veg, it's like a binary.
Did
So-
any of this exist while you were here?
Yes. But we had sugar donuts, we didn't have chocolate donuts. So, yeah.
They've increased the calorie intake for you.
What would you do if not be a journalist? Like, what would you love to do besides
If
doing
not being a
journalism
journalist.
or public?
What would you do if not yes, your comedy and what?
Oh man, you start first. I will cry. That's what I would do.
I think I would have been a theatre actor.
Nice.
Or if, and that would have been like really low paying.
Obviously.
So, obviously. Or maybe I would have become a chef.
Ooh. Are you a good cook?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's the best thing that you can make?
Fish curry rice, yeah, I'm Mangalorean.
I would have been somewhere in the media only, either a writer or a filmmaker, which is something I still want to do.
You're a storyteller.
Storyteller in some form, and that's what I'm trying to do now also. Even with this show, for example, it's not a stand-up comedy show, but I'm learning so much, meeting different people in every college, meeting new guests every time. So the idea is to just create content and learn new things and present new things in different formats. So
What message do you have for the youth leaders for tomorrow?
I think and I keep going back to it because there are many, many days, you know that, there are many days of conflict for me where I'm like, where do we stand on this story? How do we do this? I go back to the Constitution. And I go back to the preamble of the Constitution. If you read the preamble of the Constitution and the fundamental rights, it will remind you of what this country was intended to be. Right? So when our founding fathers made this country, and they
was it
fought
supposed to be?
and shed blood and gave their lives for us to have the country that we have,
Yeah.
they had a vision
yeah.
of this will be India. Remember who we were meant to be, is my advice to you.
Any of you want to get into politics here? Is there anyone here who wants to? There are a couple of people. Nice. You ask this in like Bombay, you will not get as much of a response. Exactly.
Politicians have really bad hair.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Give it up
Thanks
for
so much,
Faye,
guys.
everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
See
thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's walk off. So what is this place?
Okay, so this is the tamarind tree.
Okay.
As you can see, it's a really nice place to like hang.
Yeah.
I remember when I was really young, there were a bunch of seniors who had actually started a Narmada Bachao Andolan.
Here.
Sign up
Okay.
here. And I had this whole conversation with a complete stranger about development versus the human cost of development, which was the
Okay.
first time I actually had one of those conversations.
Debates.
Yes, it's
You
like
had
a
the first debate
Yeah,
here.
first debate. So it was like one of those places.
Okay.
You would walk up to a complete stranger and you could have a discussion about something like this, which I thought was really cool.
This is the roots.
Yes,
Literally.
literally
and
the roots in the chat.
metaphorically,
Yes, yes.
The roots of P. D'Souza
Yes,
and the debates.
Yes.
Nice.